So I just got back to LA. My room where my camera is full of boxes, just like this one, like literally packed out with boxes. So I can't get my camera. But yo, since it was Chinese New Year's and we had to literally get the boxes last minute, get all the shipment last minute, we didn't have the chance to have it go to the fulfillment center. We called before it got delivered, and the FedEx said that they can't change it without the supplier agreeing to it, and obviously they're in Chinese New Year's, so they can possibly agree right now. So it's a very shit experience. We're gonna have to go get a U-Haul truck right now, and deliver everything to the fulfillment center ourselves. So back in LA, I was in Miami for the weekend. This is a new update, bunch of boxes. I just got back from the airport. Last thing I want to do, but we have to take care of this right now. So all right, we just pulled up to the box. Shout out Roddy Rich. We need the U-Haul truck. This thing is massive. We've never driven anything like it.
What the fuck is this noise?
I don't know how we're gonna get it up the hill, but let's see.
Someone just closed the door. Someone there?
Nah, they're ready.
Should we try it?
No.
26-foot U-Haul truck, all full. This is crazy. You guys see those bears right there? So, backstory. I'll explain throughout the video because being up here is a little scary. The point is, we just filled a 26-foot truck with all those bears right there. So, super crazy, super insane. Honestly, first time that I go that much into inventory, and it's gonna be all sold within 5-6 days, hopefully. So this is gonna be a documentary. This is the intro for a documentary that we recorded, taking a brand from 0 to 100K in literally less than 15 days. Just because Chinese New Year's rushed us. If we would have planned more in advance, it would have been better profit wise, but it's still gonna be insane. But it just shows you that you literally could get something popping even with a product that's saturated. So very excited to show you guys the documentary. This is gonna be where a lot of content coming forward stems from, and yeah, I mean, a lot of footage coming on the way. So thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the documentary, and hopefully all goes well. Saturday, February 1st, we're really hoping we sell out, really hoping it doesn't flop, because that would really suck. But very excited to show you guys, so thank you. So we're right here shipping the packages to the influencers. You already know what's going on, man. I'll record it. All packed up. So I gotta take a quick train to where I'm getting picked up. We're here in Denver. I'm literally here for like 12 hours just for a concert that my aunt invited me to a few weeks ago. And so I'm doing that, then heading back to LA tomorrow 9 a.m, getting there at 11 a.m. And all the posts and stuff are going up at 2 p.m. So that gives us enough time to double check that everything's working fine, and basically set up everything just to make sure that everything's working well. It's gonna be a big day, very excited. And I'm really hoping that everything just goes above and beyond expectations. So I'll keep you guys updated. So it's like 2:20, and we just set up all the flows. So yeah, I just realized that I have like some bump there, no clue. But I kind of wanted to throw in this into the final video because it may seem off the bat right there, because I was planning on originally it was just gonna be like a day in the life type video, and I think it would have been very misleading if we just went ahead and just showed the sales coming in that day, because there's a lot of stress and a lot of things that go behind closed doors. Like right now, not right now necessarily, of course right now because it's about to happen, and it's something that's happened before, just not something in that amount of, that amount of people that are going to be going to a website tomorrow. It's going to be something that I personally never had to work with, just because when you do Facebook ads and stuff like that, it's more gradual, like you build to it. Tomorrow it's literally, we're taking a brand new website. Like I'll show you guys right here. Like we're talking about a brand new website. Like those sales right there are literally just me testing on Facebook, just to make sure that I wanted to test Facebook to see if we had a chance, like maybe doing it with Facebook, but it's a product that's very saturated. So now that we're back here, I've never gone from having a website brand new like that, literally that we set up in 2 weeks, got inventory and everything. That's another first in terms of how much inventory we got. So I've never gone from something from zero to maybe $50,000-$100,000 tomorrow if it goes well. You know, if hopefully it could flop, the same way that it could do amazing numbers. So I really have no expectations. I have no idea what to expect. Honestly, I can't sleep because it could be 15, 20, 30K, could be 80, 90, 100, or anything beyond that. I really can't think about. Like, wouldn't seem realistic, but you never know. That'd be amazing. But back to the topic is, so with Facebook, Google, influencers, all the platforms that I worked with, it's more gradual, so you sort of build to it. With this, it's literally like we're going from 0 to 100,000. So that leaves no margin of error. Like, we have to make sure everything is working well. Emails, retargeting, obviously Pixel, the website itself, the payment gateway, everything. Like, so many things that we had to set up. Like, when you create a corporation, usually it takes a few weeks or a few days to get approved. We literally got approved like today. So we're gonna use a different, we're gonna have to do a different business, but fortunately it got approved like right now. So I have to go to the bank tomorrow with Fez, add him to the online banking, take care of that. And then we have to make sure that Zipify works because they messed up something with the email, because I have like 4 Zipify accounts. So if you use the same email for one of them, he literally like doesn't let you log into a new website. So I had to email them telling them to change the thing. So it's a bunch of things that they have to be perfect by the time it launches, because Zipify itself is gonna make us a lot of money. Zipify, for those of you that don't know, is post-purchase upsell. So when people buy, after they pay, you upsell them on different products. So that has to be perfect, and it's not ready yet. But it will be ready because I've worked with them a lot of times, so I know how to work that easy. Emails, I already took care of that. Retargeting, I'm taking care of that. I just did Google, and I'm about to do Facebook, which should be quick just because I already had the ad creatives and everything that I had ran when I did those 164. And yeah, that's what I can think of, but I feel like every like 20-30 minutes something else comes to my mind that I'm like, oh shit, we gotta get that taken care of. So yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to record a little before the storm, because obviously I came to Colorado to spend my aunt's birthday. She had tickets to some festival. It was amazing, very dope experience because it was like outdoors. But then you get home, or not, even when you're there the whole time you're thinking about like, oh shit, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. And then now you're here back. I was in here in Colorado for like 10 hours. Landed, went to the festival. Now I'm here in her house for a few hours, and then heading to the airport back in like an hour, and then back to LA, and then to the bank, and then doing a bunch of shit. And then hopefully in the couch to watch this go amazingly well. So I'm gonna take care of the retargeting. I wanted to make sure I touched on this just to show you guys more raw behind the scenes of a brand that literally was built within 2 weeks. I really hope that the content we were able to get was enough. It was very hard to document perfectly the way I would have wanted initially, because there was so many things going on. Like, it wasn't even like a Netflix show where you want to have like, you want it to look perfect. There was literally like a bunch of stressful shit since Chinese New Year's was around the corner. 30 out of 30 suppliers we hit up, 1 supplier was able to fulfill and ship in time. 1 supplier said they had stock. And then the other issue was, okay, we went and placed the order, a very big order, as you guys I'm sure saw in our stories, or as you guys will see or saw already in this part of the documentary. And the fact that it was able to come in time was very, very hectic. So basically what I'm doing with that is, if someone goes to the website today, let's say I go to the website today after seeing the influencer post, then I go on Instagram within like 12 hours after that, then I get hit with an ad right away, a retargeting post. Oh, you didn't buy, go to our website, whatever. So someone clicks, let's say that has a certain percent conversion rate for people that see it, right? So now the next day we run a different ad for everybody that falls under that category. And we exclude the new people to the website. So if there's new traffic going to the website, they're gonna be getting hit with a different ad than the people that were hit 2 days ago, if that makes sense to you guys. That way we have different campaigns, and if people went to a website 3-4 days ago and we want them to convert, we offer them, we start showing on their TL, on their timelines, feeds, whatever, 5% discount code, 10% discount code. So depending on how long they've been on our website, the more time that it has gone by, like the more time that has gone since they went to our website, the higher the code. That way we can convert as many people as possible. So it's gonna be in waves. I'm gonna set up like 4 different audiences right now. So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and they're all gonna be like exclusive. So they're all gonna be excluding each other. That way everybody's getting a different code depending on what day they visited the website. So if you guys don't get that, either I'll make a separate video just showing you guys this strategy, or I'm sure this is on YouTube somewhere if you search up retargeting strategy. Very simple, but it just sounds complex. But yeah, that's what I'm taking care of right now, just because I want to get all this out of the way right now. I could easily do this tomorrow because this retargeting, like after traffic is there, but I'm only doing this because I don't want, if the post goes very well or if it goes very bad, for it to affect my judgment and the way I perform and how I want to do ads. Maybe it goes very well and I'm trying to get lit, so I forget about this, or it goes very bad and I just say fuck this and I don't want to do no ads. So I'm taking care of everything right now. That way no emotions or nothing comes into play, and everything is systemized as much as possible, which obviously this, you generally have this done in advance. But as I've said multiple times, we set up this brand within like 12 days. So everything's a very last minute, and it's like a seasonal thing. So it was very on top of everything. So yeah, just documenting this, and I really hope it comes out being a dope video. Might flop, might be the best thing I've done. So I don't know. Let's see how this plays out. About to catch a quick train from my aunt's house to the airport, and I caught this incredible sunrise right here. It's probably the best sunrise I've ever seen. Because usually I'm not up to see sunrises, because I don't like waking up that early. But this is actually insane. Oh, we're here in the train station. It's super cold right now, but look at the sunrise. It's probably the best sunrise I've seen. It looked better in the last clip that I recorded because it was like 2 seconds earlier. But yeah, took care of Zipify, took care of retargeting on Facebook, Google, email flows, which took a fat minute, but literally took care of all that overnight. Was able to come, have a good time with my aunt at the festival, catch some food, then go home and finish all the work, because honestly, I can't sleep, as I explained. But yeah, I can't sleep just because it's a lot of things and everything has to go right, since it's something that we planned in 2 weeks. But yeah, now I have to get back to LA, catching the train right now back to the airport. Hopefully I get to hit the lounge for a bit to get some breakfast or something. That way when I get to LA, I can Uber straight to Chase, take care of a couple things that I have to take care, and then we're literally 100% good to go. And I don't know, you guys will see how everything turns out. Hopefully it's amazing. Hopefully everything goes as planned and we do like crazy numbers that we could document and you guys could enjoy. But yeah, let's see. So it's officially the big day. Let's get it. So now we're on the train, as you guys can see. I'm extremely tired, but I can't sleep just because of how excited I am for what's supposed to go up, as I said earlier. Obviously we've done similar things gradually on Facebook, day by day, but there's gonna be literally a huge influx of people within like a few hours just because of our YouTube post. So I don't know, let's see how this turns out. Hopefully there's no issues on the site, payment processor works well, upsells work well, and everything works well. So keep you guys updated. So I just landed and this guy literally uploaded the video. 3 hours already. So I'm freaking out right now because my signal is obviously trash in the plane. Everything, thank God I left everything ready and I stayed up all night because I was planning on finishing when I got back at 11 at home. So I'd have 3 hours to do it. And something just told me last night, like, just stay up and finish everything. So far it's looking well. It's been up for 20 minutes. We're like 2K. But yeah, I don't know. I have to get home ASAP right now. Make sure everything's working because there's too many people on site. Okay, so I just got in the Uber. Yeah, still figuring it out. I have to get home ASAP to make sure everything's going well. This was too stressful, but I don't know. Let's see.